Good night, friends. Good evening. This is Amy Dove, the Keto Queen. I hope you're having a great day. It's Tuesday and I'm home from work and I found this cute hat at Lowe's. It had a crown, a Santa hat with a crown. I thought, oh, I've got to have it. I've got to have it as the Keto Queen. I hope you guys are having a great week so far. It's just Tuesday. So we've got a little bit of week left. I hope you're having a good one. And we're super excited for this week because it's not only the pre-Christmas week. We've got a lot of great things happening in our family and at our work. Tomorrow is Wednesday and our family has a Paw Palte every year, and that's to celebrate our puppy dog's birthdays because we all have them around the exact same time. Ellie Mae's birthday is October the 19th. Little Bit's birthday, we made his the same as my sister's, December the 5th, because we don't know for sure his exact birthday. May is going to be turning 8. Little Bit's going to be turning 14, I think. Little Frankie Sue was born on Christmas Eve, so her birthday is Christmas Eve. She's turning 2. Dixie D, her birthday is December 29th, and she's turning 2 this year. Our little sweet Harley, he turns 3, and his birthday is January 5th. And then Rugby, Frankie Sue's brother, his birthday is also Christmas Eve. So we have a Paw Palte every year, and that is tomorrow. So tomorrow we're going to have all the dogs over here, all the family, and we're just going to have some fun together. We got them some little presents, and we just love it. I know we are crazy, y'all. If we're crazy, it's okay. You can say crazy in the comments. I don't care. It's not going to hurt my feelings. We love our fur babies. They are just like our children. So guys, as you're jumping on, let me know where you're watching from. We are home tonight, and we're making a simple, delicious dinner. There are 2 things I want to talk to you about while we're here together. I'm going to make some air fried pork steaks. I love the air fryer. I've got a Cuisinart TOA 70, and tonight we're going to use pork steaks. Normally I use pork chops. Pork chops and pork steaks taste different. So this is the first time I'm going to mix this up for a pork steak. I know it's going to be delicious, but it is absolutely fire on a pork chop or even chicken breast. So we're going to mix this up really fast. You're going to see how fast it is and so easy. Yes, you can cook it in your oven if you want to. I just prefer the air fryer because it gives it a really good crisp topping, which is what we want. We want a crispy crust. It doesn't fry it up like deep fried, but it does fry it up and it's super good. I love my air fryer. So if you guys don't have one, I definitely recommend you grab yourself one for 2025. And then the second thing I want to talk to you about while you're on here is getting plans ready and in order for 2025. So guys, I don't know about you, but I love a plan. And I like to have structure. Like I want somebody to tell me what to do. And if you guys are looking for ways to create success in 2025, I want you to do this with me. We're going to be doing it together. And if you want more information about that, say Thrive in the comments, say Thrive, and I'm going to get you information on what I'm doing in 2025 so that you guys can jump on board and join me. What we're going to be doing is drinking ketones every single day, and we're going to do a 5-day belly burn on January the 13th. So we're going to drink ketones every day, do a 5-day belly burn. We're going to do that every month for as long as you want to in the year of 2025, and you will be successful. You're going to drop some inches, you're going to drop some fat, you're going to drop some pounds, you're going to feel so good, you're going to sleep like a baby, you're going to have so much energy, you're not going to know what to do with yourself. Your husband is going to love you. Like your husband is going to love you because you're going to be so happy. And men out there, your wives are going to love you because you're going to be a different man. You're going to feel so good and you're going to love to see your wife every single day, which means she's going to love to see you. So if you're looking for better health in 2025, and you want to know about my program that I'll be starting in January, say Thrive in the comments, and I'm going to get you that information. So we got a lot of things going on this week. I'm super excited. I got my Christmas shirt on. I'm excited for Christmas. I've got my crown Santa hat. I mean, y'all, isn't this cute? I saw it at Lowe's. I'm like, I've got to get this. It's just too cute. Tomorrow we're having the puppy dog party, and then we're getting ready for Christmas. So I don't know about you guys, but we're getting ready for Christmas. Now, I'll tell you, it's been a tough year. You guys know it's been a tough year. We lost my dad, and Christmas is definitely going to be different. It already feels different. Everything feels different, but it's okay. He is going to want us. I know he wants us to celebrate the birth of Jesus and celebrate our family, and that is exactly what we're going to do. So guys, as you're jumping on, I'd love to know where you're watching from. I don't see any comments yet, so Facebook maybe. giving me some little problems here. So I want to make sure I know where you're watching from. Tell me in the comments where you're watching from. If you want information on that program that I'm going to be starting in January, say Thrive in the comments. We are naming it Thrive in 25. So if you want to thrive in 25, you want to feel amazing in 2025, say Thrive in the comments. All right, so we are making our air fryer pork steaks, and we're starting off with grated Parmesan cheese. So yes, it is the grated pizza shaker Parmesan, and we're going to make an amazing crust mix with it, and we're going to put our pork chops in it. So we start off with the grated Parmesan. I added some onion powder. I'm going to add some garlic powder. And guys, the thing I love about air fryer mixes is you can season this however you want to. Like, you just cannot do it wrong. It is just so delicious. So I'm using garlic powder, onion powder. I'm going to add some paprika. I'm going to add the one that's open. Let me grab the one that's actually open. Paprika. There's one open. So we're going to add some paprika, and all of these things together make an amazing sauce mix. Now, I'm not measuring this. If you guys want to, you can start with a teaspoon or 2 teaspoons at a time, and you can add more if you want to. I'm fixing to show you kind of how I measure. Oh yes, we got some Italian seasoning. We got some pepper. We're going to add some salt. I'm going to go back over these seasonings with you in just 1 second. And we're going to add some parsley. All right, I got some parsley. Let's see which one's the better one. I'm going to use the one that's not expired. This is not expired. This actually is going to expire faster. I'm going to use this one. All right, so I love these little fresh, oh, this one's not even opened. It's going to expire faster. So this is the fresh mix herbs. We love these. You can get them in the produce section at the grocery store. So what I do is take that grated Parmesan and I just throw seasonings in with it. So again, I've got garlic powder, onion powder, salt, pepper, paprika, Italian seasoning, and parsley. And I'm just mixing it up. So you know when you first put this on your plate, it just looks like cheese, right? It looks like Parmesan, grated Parmesan cheese. When you put all these seasonings in it, it's going to change. And if you don't see it change, you do not have enough seasonings. I mean, really, that's how I measure the seasonings. You can start off by just putting a teaspoon of each of these and just put the same amount. So a teaspoon or a tablespoon, I don't care. But you want to make sure this changes. Look how pretty it is now. Now it's this really pretty dark rust color. You can see that parsley in there. You can see the Italian seasoning in there. If you want to wet a finger and taste it, you're welcome to. You don't even have to. If you can see these seasonings, you know it's going to be really, really good. Now, if you've got like one of my favorite seasonings I'm out of, it's actually Flavor God's everything seasoning. I've got some everything spicy, but I don't really want spicy tonight. I'm not feeling a little spicy. I just want the everything seasoning, and I'm out of it. So I'm just kind of mixing my own thing up here. All right, so it looks really pretty. It smells really good. And we are now going to take our pork steaks and we're just going to lather them up with oil. So I'm fixing to get my hands really dirty. Hey guys, how are you doing now? It's showing me some comments. Hey Bridget, I see Beth on here. Michelle, hey April, Teresa, hey Susie, Juanita. You didn't call me Juanita. I thought you were going to call me. And Dawn, how are you guys? Oh, thank you. I appreciate it. I got this at Lowe's. Isn't it just the cutest? So we're making an air fried pork steak. I usually use pork chops or chicken, but we're using pork steak tonight. It's going to taste different. So I hope it's going to be just as delicious as all the others I've done. And I love my air fryer. It's the Cuisinart TOA 70. And guys, if you missed the front of this video, I want to encourage you to go back and watch, because we talked about how to really get set for 2025. I don't know about you, but I really like to go into the year with a plan. And if the current thing you're doing isn't working, then you need to change. Like if you're not feeling good and you're not sleeping good and you've got joint pain and you still are fat and you don't want to be the size you are and you want to sleep good, then we need to make a change. So guys, if you are ready to make a change or you just want to feel even better in 2025, I'm working with people and I want to work with you. Like you're going to be a part of an exclusive group. You're going to get food guides, meal plans, grocery lists. You're going to get the products you need, like my ketones that are amazing. And it's on sale. And I want you to get prepared for that before we really get good and started. So if you want that information, say Thrive in the comments. Thrive. Because what we're going to do is send you ways to thrive in 25. So hit Thrive. All right, now we're just going to take this greased up pork steak. Y'all saw me, I just lathered it up with some avocado oil. You can use olive oil if you like. And then we're just going to dip it into the crust mix. Now, pork steaks are bigger than pork chops, so you can cut it off the bone if you want to, or you can just do like me and squish it in there. It doesn't have to be, doesn't have to all be on the plate at one time. That's why I'm doing it. Oh, look at this, guys. Just look how pretty this is. I mean, it's just a thin layer of crust. I'm trying not to make a mess. We're going to put this into the air fryer basket. These are big, and it is a little thicker than my normal pork chop. So we may cook these a little while longer in the air fryer, and that's okay. I've got my air fryer on 350. Now, let me tell you, I got this over here because once you stick that oily pork chop in there, it might clump up. So just stir it around again. Just stir it around. That's a lot of crust mix for these three big pieces of meat. All right, and now we're gonna do our next one. We're just gonna push it down into the mix. Ooh, this is gonna be good. We love this crust mix, but I've just never done it on pork steak before. So I hope it's really good. I just wanted something different tonight, and we love pork steaks. Ooh, man, it's gonna be good, y'all. Excuse me, ma'am. You don't need to eat that. All right, I'm gonna put the second one in. And this is why I love this air fryer. Let me just show you guys. Ah.
Look at that wig.
Look what you did.
Look at that wig.
You're playing with my hair. I got food over here. All right, look at this basket. This is why I love this air fryer. Ricky Dove, I'm gonna beat you. Okay, they got it. Thanks, Ricky. This is why I love this air fryer. Look how big this basket is. I mean, I've got 2 huge pork steaks in here. That means we're gonna be able to cook 2 big pork steaks at the same time. Let me wash my hands and fix my hat, little turd head. There we go. That's all right. I don't care what I look like. I think I'm still cute. What y'all think? Give me some hearts if I look cute. All right, let me wash my hands. I'll be right back. Oh, you get that wig, dude. Little bit. Quit eating that crust. There ain't nothing down there for you. All right. Lord of mercy. Now my hair is a mess. It's going to be fuzzy in a minute. Hey, Melissa. How are you? Oh, this is Melissa's favorite recipe, guys. That sounds awesome. Hey, Bernie. Oh, yeah. She says it's going to be awesome with this crust. Jill says, hello. How are you, Jill? Let's see. Hey, Jan, how are you? Guys, I hope you're having a great day. All right, so we are talking about results in 2025. If you're looking for results in 2025, say thrive in the comments. I'm going to move this over here just so I can fix this crown. Lord of mercy, Ricky's going to break my hat. I'm going to whoop his butt if he breaks my hat. So, we're having a New Year's party. Yep, we're going to have a New Year's party. And I think Ricky broke my crown. I don't know what I did. I'm just gonna keep it like, let me just take it off. I don't know what he did to it. We're gonna have a New Year's party, and I'm gonna be wearing that toboggan, so it's gonna be so much fun. We're having a PJ party at the house. All right, guys, so let me just see if you have any questions for me. If you have any questions at all, let me know. I've got my air fryer on 350. And we're probably going to cook that for a good 20 minutes because pork steak's pretty thick and it's got the bone in it. So it takes a little longer to cook than a boneless pork chop or just a thin bone-in pork chop. So we'll probably cook that for about 20 minutes. Look at my side dish. Let me grab it for you real quick. Talk about easy, simple dinners. Oh, man, it smells delicious already, too. This is one of my favorite things. Like, seriously, one of my favorite things, roasted broccoli. I mean, guys, you cannot cook easier than roasting vegetables with a side of protein. A protein and a low-carb veggie is all you need. So this is just a roasted broccoli. We put fresh broccoli that we took out of the washed and ready-to-go bags. We heavily drizzled with avocado oil, seasoned it with salt and pepper, and we have this on 350 in the oven. Let me stir it up just a little bit, make sure I don't need to stir it up. You just want to toss it around about halfway through just to make sure there's enough oil on here. You will know because it'll be really hard and crispy instead of soft and tender. Ooh, now I like ours to burn just a little bit, so we're weirdos like that. We like it to be a little burnt. It just makes it a little crispy instead of mushy. But doesn't that look good? Let me go ahead and turn this air fryer on because it's going to be ready when this broccoli's done. I love to roast pretty much any vegetable. You can roast, I love to roast cabbage, asparagus, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, zucchini. You can pretty much roast any vegetable and it's so fast and easy. All right, guys, it looks like I'm down to the bottom of y'all's comments. I don't see any questions. If I can help you at all, guys, do not hesitate to reach out to me. But since you don't have questions, I'm going to jump off here and clean up my mess so that when dinner's ready, we'll be ready to eat. Again, if you are looking for results in 2025, you're looking to really see and feel results. You want to feel good. You want to sleep good. You want to lose some fat. You want to lose the pain in your knees. Then say thrive, because I want to send you information on the program that we're going to be doing in January, and it's on sale. So if you guys are ready to feel amazing in 2025, say thrive, and I'll get you the details, and I'll talk to all of you guys later. Bye.